Welcome to Maths 1, 2, 3. In this question, we have two concentric circles having radii 13 centimeter and 8 centimeter. AB is the diameter of this. AB is the diameter of the bigger circle and BD is the tangent. This is the tangent to the smaller circle which touching it at point this D. We have to find the length A. D. This length we have to find here. Let's see how we do this question. So in this question we have to find AD. This length we have to find here AD. In order to find this, we need to find the value of this length AE and DE. So first we have to find AE and DE. So it is given that AB is the diameter of bigger circle and O is the center of the circle. So if we see the triangle ABE, this angle will be equal to 90 degree because the angle AEB will be equal to 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is always equal to 90 degree. So given that BD is the tangent to the smaller circle which touching it at this point, OD will be perpendicular to BE. So also and this PD will be equal to DE. So let me mark this as 1. Now let's see the triangle ABE. This triangle ABE. So if we see this triangle, then this O is midpoint of this AB and D is the midpoint of BE. So here we can apply midpoint theorem. So according to that theorem, OD is equal to, this will be equal to half of AE. So from here we'll get the value of AE. So this implies AE is equal to 2 times OD. What is OD? OD is the radius of smaller circle and this is equal to 8. So we can put this value here. We'll get 2 times 8 which is equal to 16 centimeter because OD is given 8 centimeter. Let me take this as 2. Now we have to find this value DE. We can find the BD. We know the BD is equal to DE. So first we'll find the BD and then we can equate that BD with DE because D is the midpoint of BE. So therefore, if we take this triangle ODB, this triangle is right angle triangle, correct? This angle is 90 degree and here we have got this OD is the radius of this smaller circle which is equal to 8 and OB is the radius of bigger circle which is equal to 13 centimeter and this is also in centimeter. So from here we can find out this value BD. So BD is equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, so BD square is equal to OB square minus OD square. OB square is equal to 13 square minus OD is equal to 18 square. The 13 square is equal to 169 minus 64. If we subtract these, we'll get 105. So this implies BD is equal to plus minus square root 105. We'll discard the negative value and we'll take BD is equal to square root 105 centimeter and we know the BD is equal to DE, so which is equal to square root 105 centimeter. So let me mark this as a third equation. Now we'll take this triangle, right angle triangle ADE. So this is also a right angle triangle. So here also we'll apply Pythagoras theorem to get the value of AD. The AD square is equal to DE square plus AE square by Pythagoras theorem. So now we'll put all the values here. The DE is equal to, we got from third, this is equal to root of 105 whole raised to power 2 plus AE is equal to 16 centimeter square. So this I have taken from second and third equation. So I'll put here, so we'll get here 105 plus 16 square is equal to 256. Now we'll add these, we'll get 361 we got here. So therefore AD square, taking square root both side, we'll get AD is equal to plus minus square root of 369, and negative value obviously we are going to discard here. So AD is equal to square root of 361, and which is equal to 19. So AD is equal to 19 centimeter. This is what we have to find. If you like the video, please give thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.